That is the Veerbhadra Swami, which is at the center. And you can see some beautiful paintings on these walls. So you can see these pillars and you can see the center structure there. All the pillars are attached to this structure and it's about like more than 400 years old 16th century temple. People trying to pass this below. It is believed that the Jatayu and Ravana fought here and he fell in one of these rocks. Jatayu Pakshi and Sita Mata's feet. Good morning. I am Souvik and you are watching my channel The Common Indian Traveler. Today is 1st September and it's 9:30 a.m. right now and we are on our way to Lepakshi. So we are on NH44. You can see NH44 here. We are at the Nandi cross. It's the road to Nandi hills from here and we are at Nandi Upachar. We'll have some breakfast and then we'll be on our way. Hopefully we'll reach Lepakshi in another 1 hour. Let's have some breakfast in Nandi Upachar. Ordered some puri here. Big puris. Alankrita have already eaten some idli and vada. And we are trying puri and black tea. You didn't like the puri?
It's okay.
It's okay. But filling. It is big puri made of atta.
Beautiful cloudy day today. Perfect for an outing.
51 kilometers more. We'll reach there in about 40 minutes as per the map.
Continue on National Highway 544E for 14 kilometers.
So you have to take this turn from NH44 towards Lepakshi. You can see the Nandi bull seated there while you are taking the left turn when you are coming from Mangaluru, and from here you can see Lepakshi is just 16 kilometers. We are speeding through this national highway at 100 km per hour. There's no traffic today as it's a weekday. It's a Monday. 10 kilometers more. And we are here at Lepakshi and the rain welcomes us.
Take the next left toward Lepakshi Road, then turn right onto Lepakshi Road.
So we have to take this left. It says welcome to Lepakshi Temple. And I think far
Next right onto Lepakshi Road.
on top we can see the Jatayu statue.
Statue of Jatayu. Yeah, we can already see that for
Continue on Lepakshi Road for 1 kilometer.
statue of Jatayu.
Jatayu Temple and Nandi here.
In 500 meters, turn right onto Lepakshi State Border Road.
We are about to enter the Veerbhadra temple. We are at Lepakshi and this is a 14th century temple. I'll show you the different structures here inside which are of significance. Let's see inside.
We came here 9 years back in Lepakshi, and it is still very beautiful here.
Hi. So we are finally at the Veerbhadra Swami temple. So this is a 16th century temple built in the Vijayanagar style of architecture, and I will show you inside. That is, the main temple is Veerbhadra Swami, and I'll show you the different deities inside and the different paintings on the walls. And you can see the main courtyard here. It's a beautiful courtyard with a lot of pillars. Let's see the pillars. And there's a unique thing about one of the pillars out of these. So you can see these pillars, and you can see the center structure there. All the pillars are attached to this structure, and it's about like more than 400 years old 16th century temple. And I will show you this pillar. So maybe over the years, due to some kind of erosion or something, this pillar has become hollow beneath. So it says that if you pass a handkerchief or any narrow thing, maybe a paper or something, it passes through the bottom of the pillar. So this pillar is a hanging pillar actually, which is supported from the top, and it's just hanging, so it's hollow beneath. And you can see all the structures here.
I'll give you a handkerchief, you pass.
It's difficult because you don't have a long handkerchief. I can't catch from the other side. If you have a paper, it's easy to pass.
I don't have paper.
So you can see people trying to pass this below. So maybe the structure has come down a little bit. So that's the reason the cloth didn't pass through. The Navagraha, the 9 planets. Parvati Devi temple. And we are behind the Veerbhadra Swami temple now.
Ramalingam in front.
And this is the Ramalinga. You can see some beautiful paintings on the wall, which is not preserved well, but you can see the paintings on the main temple wall. And this is Bhadrakali. And this is the temple.
It's a very old temple.
And Shiva. Rama Ganapati. can see these pillars from the main temple, Ma Durga, and that is the Veerbhadra Swami, which is at the center. And you can see some beautiful paintings on these walls. Okay, let's explore the premises here. So it says that you can see Sita Ma's feet engraved here. Let's see. This is some old texture or very old script. This is the outside of the Veerbhadra temple. We were just inside that, and there are quite a few other things here to explore.
There is a
And
Shivlinga as well.
so this is the Kalyan Mandapa, which was not completed. This structure is incomplete. You can see the ceiling is not complete, and this was supposed to be the Kalyan Mandapa. So it looks like due to some reason the work was not completed. You can see only the pillars here. A Ganapati statue here as well, which predates to that time in the 16th century. And then you can see a lot of carvings there, Shivlingas,
Ganesha.
and you can see Shivlingas, and the entire stone is a Shivlinga, and also there are different Shivlingas, and the elephant also worshipping Shiva. There's, I think, a demon, and then a crab worshipping Shiva, you can see. And yes, Ganesha. So we are finally in front of the Nagalingam, you can see here. So whenever someone says about the Lepakshi Veerbhadra temple, this structure comes in front, which is a significant structure here. So though this temple is a 16th century temple, the story predates to the Ramayana age. So the name of this place, Lepakshi, in Sanskrit, it is known as get up bird, which is when Sita was captured by Ravana, Jatayu followed Ravana and fought fiercely, but he fell here. And when Ram came here, he could see that the Jatayu was almost at his deathbed. So he called out, "Get up, bird," and that's the Sanskrit word which is Lepakshi, and how the name came for this place. That's the entrance. You can see the Jatayu bird here on top of the rock, and we'll go on top. Right now we are at the Jatayu park here at Lepakshi.
We are going to the top of the Jatayu park. I think it will take a lot of time.
I don't think so. Will it?
Yes.
A big boulder supporting the stairways. We're almost on top. You can see here, that's the Jatayu statue. It is believed that the Jatayu and Ravana fought here and he fell in one of these rocks. So you can see the feet here and the Jatayu Pakshi and Sita Mata's feet. And this is the viewpoint. That's the temple we came from. So you can see the Jatayu Park there, and we are about to enter the Bull Park. This is another significant structure here. This is the largest monolithic bull in India, which is a 9-meter long monolithic bull.
Last time, did we enter near the bull?
Yes.
Or we just took pictures from outside?
We did. You can clearly see why this is the largest monolithic bull, which is a one stone bull made of one stone. This is another very significant structure. When someone says Lepakshi, this bull picture comes. When you search in Google, you will either see the bull or the Nagalingam or the Jatayu. And we are here. So this is another, be careful, you have a wire here. So this is another pond here, lotus pond at Lepakshi. You can see. You want to go inside? No, don't.
We can go.
Don't.
Right,
And
come.
we have this
Come now.
sign where it says Lepakshi.
See, the dog is swimming.
Yes. So we are done at Lepakshi. We have seen all the different places. It has started raining. You can see the raindrops in the pond. And we'll take some pictures and get into the car very soon and be on our way back. You are watching The Common Indian Traveler. This is Souvik. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more.